So many industries depend on the gas and welding distribution network. To protect that lifeline to their customers, distributors need insurance that understands the unique risks and broad range of exposures in their business. That's why Amerisure Programs, known as AMP, and the Horton Group have expanded their partnership to deliver specialized insurance solutions for gas and welding distributors through AMP. This unrivaled partnership is what sets the program apart from others. The Horton Group is the #1 agency in the U.S. for gas and welding distributors. Their deep expertise helps AMP craft the best solutions to meet the client's needs. This includes even industry-specific forms of coverage addressing welding emissions and escaped gases, or MCS 90 endorsements.
The partnership between Horton and Amerisure goes back decades. They're the type of company that always asks, how do we get better? How do we help your clients succeed? And they always bring new ideas to the table.
They're not just dropping off a policy and sending you a bill in the mail. They look to help with their fleet safety program, work comp safety, return to work light duty. All of the things that they bring to the table besides just an insurance policy are what makes them a good partner.
Working closely with Amerisure's leading risk management and claims teams, AMP has many tools to reduce claim frequency and severity. For instance, cost-sharing programs for safety resources like wearables, telematics, and cell phone blocking technology. Throw in additional services from Horton like coverage and contract review, benchmarking, and risk assessments, and it all adds up to a complete package that is unmatched in value.
We needed to find an ally, somebody who understands cylinder filling, cylinder handling, and the myriad of regulations we deal with every single day. How about somebody who understands what SARA Title II is? These folks, they understand our industry. Bottom line is, if you're anything like us, when it comes to comprehensive insurance, I need an advocate, not just a friend. And it turns out, over 10 years ago, we got both.
The Gas and Welding Distributors program helps keep critical supplies flowing safely to a wide array of industries. They need you, and that's why you need us. Contact the team to learn more about how the Horton Group and Amerisure Programs can meet your needs.